Have you ever wondered why Abraham Lincoln remains one of the most revered figures in history? This isn't just because of his pivotal role as the 16th President of the United States, or his tireless fight against slavery. It's also due to his profound wisdom that transcends time, touching the hearts of millions even today. This video aims to bring that wisdom to light through the words of Lincoln himself. We'll delve into his most powerful quotes, each packed with insights that can inspire and motivate us in our everyday lives. From striving for excellence to the power of perseverance, making thoughtful decisions, and striving for recognition, Lincoln's wisdom covers it all. So brace yourselves as we delve into the profound wisdom of this great leader. Let's uncover the timeless lessons that Lincoln has left behind, lessons that can guide us towards personal growth, resilience, and ultimately, greatness. Let's start with a powerful quote: "Whatever you are, be a good one." These words, spoken by Abraham Lincoln, seem simple on the surface, but if we dive deeper, we find an ocean of wisdom in these 7 words. This quote isn't just about being good at what you do, it's about striving for excellence. It's about pushing your boundaries, stepping out of your comfort zone, and embracing challenges. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, no matter what role you're playing. Imagine being a gardener, and you're tasked with planting a tree. You could just dig a hole, plant the tree, and call it a day. Or you could take the time to prepare the soil, choose the perfect spot for the tree, nurture it, and watch it grow. That's excellence. That's being a good one. The beauty of this quote lies in its universality. It applies to everyone, regardless of their profession, age, or background. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a doctor, an artist, or a parent, you can strive for excellence in your own unique way. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, to do just enough to get by. But Lincoln urges us to break free from this cycle of mediocrity. He challenges us to go above and beyond, to pour our heart and soul into everything we do. So how can we apply this quote to our lives? Start by setting high standards for yourself. Don't be satisfied with good enough. Aim for great. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learn from your mistakes and never stop improving. And most importantly, remember that excellence isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's not about being perfect, it's about constant growth and improvement. It's about waking up each day with the determination to be better than you were yesterday. So, in the spirit of Abraham Lincoln, let's strive for excellence in everything we do. Let's be good ones in our own unique ways. Remember, no task is too small to be done well. Moving on to our next gem, I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. This quote, like a beacon of light in the fog, guides us through the labyrinth of life. It's a testament to the tenacity of the human spirit, a tribute to the unyielding power of perseverance. Imagine a world where every step you took was a leap of faith, where every move was a promise to yourself that no matter how tough the going gets, you'll never turn back. That's what Lincoln's words inspire in us. They remind us that we need not sprint through life, but rather pace ourselves, learn from our experiences, and most importantly, never retreat. Perseverance, my friends, is not about the speed at which we progress, but the unwavering dedication to keep moving forward, regardless of the obstacles we face. It's about the relentless pursuit of our goals, the unshakable belief in our own potential, and the indomitable will to make our dreams a reality. Think of the tortoise in the age-old fable. Slow and steady, it kept moving, never deviating from its path, never losing sight of its goal. And in the end, it was the tortoise, not the swift hare, that won the race. Lincoln's words echo the essence of this timeless tale. He nudges us to embrace our own pace, to trust our journey, and to believe in the power of perseverance. But perseverance isn't just about moving forward. It's about resilience in the face of adversity. It's about standing tall when the winds of life try to knock you down, about finding the strength within you to rise every time you fall. And so, as we journey through life, let's remember Lincoln's words. Let's remember that it's not the speed at which we walk that defines us, but the courage to never walk back, to never give up, no matter how daunting the journey may seem. In the journey of life, it's not about the speed, but the direction that matters. Let Lincoln's wisdom guide us as we navigate our own paths, as we strive to make our mark on the world. Let's remember to persevere, to keep walking, even when the road ahead seems steep. Because at the end of the day, it's the ones who keep moving forward, who never walk back, that truly make a difference. Here's another thought-provoking quote. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Now let's take a moment to ponder on this. Lincoln is reminding us of the importance of making thoughtful decisions. He tells us to be sure, to be certain, to be confident about where we place our feet, symbolizing the choices we make in life. But it's not just about making decisions. It's about making the right ones, the ones that align with our values, our goals, and our dreams. It's about making decisions that we can stand by, even when the winds of criticism and doubt blow our way. And once we've made these decisions, what do? We stand firm. We don't waver. We don't second-guess ourselves. We don't allow the fear of failure or the allure of an easier path to sway us. We stand firm because we trust in our decision-making process. We trust in the time, the thought, the introspection we've put into making this decision. Remember, it's our decisions, not our conditions, that shape our destiny. Each choice we make is a stepping stone on the path we're creating for ourselves. So, let's choose wisely. Let's make sure we're putting our feet in the right place. And once we are there, let's stand firm. Decisions shape our destiny, so choose wisely and stand firm. And finally, don't worry when you are not recognized, but strive to be worthy of recognition. This powerful statement from Abraham Lincoln is a profound reminder to us all. It's not about the applause, the accolades, or the pats on the back. It's about the work, the effort, the sweat, and the tears. It's about the journey, not the destination. It's about striving to be the best version of ourselves, not for the recognition, but for the satisfaction of knowing we gave it our all. It's about pushing ourselves to our limits, testing our mettle, and discovering our true potential, and then going one step further. It's about self-improvement, self-growth, and self-discovery. It's about being so good they can't ignore you. It's about being worthy of recognition, not seeking it. So let us not worry about the spotlight, but let us focus on the work. Let us not chase after recognition, but let us strive to be worthy of it. Let us not be defined by the applause we receive, but by the effort we put in. Let us not seek validation from others, but let us find it in ourselves. Remember, recognition is a byproduct of excellence. It's not the goal, it's the result. So, don't chase recognition, strive for excellence, because at the end of the day, recognition is fleeting, but the satisfaction of knowing you gave it your all, that's eternal. Recognition is a byproduct of excellence. Focus on being worthy of it. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the wisdom of Abraham Lincoln, a man of humble beginnings who went on to lead a nation through its greatest crisis. His words, a beacon of light guiding us through the fog of uncertainty, inspiring us to strive for excellence in all that we do. His wisdom, a testament to the power of perseverance, urging us not just to walk, but to walk forward no matter the pace. His insights into decision-making, a reminder to place our feet firmly on the ground of well-thought-out choices. And his belief in self-improvement over recognition, a call to focus on becoming worthy, letting our deeds echo our worth. Abraham Lincoln's words aren't just quotes, they are life lessons, timeless and relevant, ready to guide us on our journey. Keep these words close to heart as we navigate our own journeys. Thanks for joining me.
What's your next step towards greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in the power of your dreams.